All right, let's get to it. June 12th, I got a whole bunch of these chocolate reapers with the big, long, squiggly tails on them. Getting ready. That's got some, what is that? Oh, something in there. Got to wash that one off. So I'm going to grab a couple of these. I want to try these out and put them in some salsa and have a nice chicken cheese quesadilla. So yeah, let's take a look at these bad boys. And again, this is my chocolate reaper. I think it's a chocolate Carolina reaper. One of them came out as a red reaper. Really, look at the thorns and stuff on that. Look at the just wrinkliest, really jaggedy looking. Look at this little, it's got like a little claw on it over here. See that little, it's got like a double tail, kind of a little claw, like reaching out, wants to hurt you. Oh wait, look, that's got a little hole in it. Sometimes they break open. They're so twisted, they turn themselves inside out almost. But it's a good solid hard pepper. It's nothing wrong with that. I'm going to eat that and get some seeds from it. So I saw somebody else eating. Now these are kind of small reapers. I was commented on somebody else's. They said they had Carolina reapers. Now these are chocolate reapers. He had Carolina reapers. They didn't look really red to me, and they weren't that big. So maybe he had chocolate reapers. I don't know. Maybe reapers just are a general category. Oops. So there are 3. That ought to be enough. I think 1 will be more than plenty, especially that one with a little claw on it there. What do you think, Early? Oh, I forgot to mention that in my other video I made today. That one guy is the channel name. It's not. I wasn't just being a vague reference or making a vague reference to somebody. That one guy that commented, that one guy is the channel name. So I didn't make that clear. So, oh, and well, hey, you know what? Somebody challenged. Oh man, you really want to prep before you eat one of these. I haven't had anything to put in my stomach. All right, let's just go for it. I'm gonna, well, that one with the dirt on it. Hang on. All right, there's no way I'm gonna eat this whole pod like some of the professional mad scientists on YouTube. I'm gonna take a bite of like a third or quarter of it. Let's see if we get some good light here on it. I can't see anything here. Hang on. It is a very beautiful pepper. Let's see what it looks like inside. Oh man. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh. Brent, I don't know how you do it, man. All right. I'm going to tough it out while I'm running inside to get some cheese. Oh my God. Oh, I think I swallowed some. Oh, I did. I swallowed most of it. Ooh. Oh, I gotta put this down. Oh man, I'm having flashes, waves. Oh, this is the first thing I get to, cottage cheese. Oh my God. Oh, it's hitting my stomach right now too. Oh man. I knew better. I did it anyways. Oh, it's like 3:20 now, I guess. All right, maybe I'll have those quesadillas later. I'm just going to have some cottage cheese for now. Oh my God, it's still only 3:20. It seems like it's been a half hour. And this can actually go on for a half hour. Oh, finally, 3:21. Oh, ever have cottage cheese with molasses? That's pretty good. How about baked beans and cottage cheese? Anybody out there ever have baked beans and cottage cheese? You ever heard of that? And where's that from? Who does that? That's my question. Oh, it's been 3 minutes. Whew, the waves are still coming. I ate half of my cottage cheese. Pineapple on cottage cheese, that would be good. If I had pineapple. Oh my God, that is pretty. And I didn't even bite off a quarter of that. I bit off the tail and a little bit of the bottom. Wow, it does got a really... Oh, that might be the lemon oil on my hands. Never mind. No, that's actually the pepper. Yeah, it's got kind of a... Everybody says fruity, and they never say what kind of fruit. I think it's kind of lemony, actually. Citrusy, yeah, there you go. Wow, that's... Whew, oh my God, it's hitting my stomach right about now. Yeah, I'm not going to have quesadillas right now. I'm going to have them later.